Hi there, students. Outre, outre, an adjective. Okay, if you describe something as outre, it's very unconventional and probably a bit funny as well. So if something is just totally bizarre, you could call it outre. It's strange and unusual and shocking, but particularly in a humorous way. It's something that might make you laugh because it's just so bizarre that it's funny. So the film was an outre comedy about working for British Rail, for example. Outre, it's just outrageously funny. Yeah, the film Cage aux Folles, I think, is an outre comedy. It's highly unconventional, it's eccentric, it's bizarre. The outre antics of certain members of society. Yeah, outre, this is going beyond what is normal, what is acceptable, what is considered proper. Yeah, you go way beyond it. Yeah, it's grossly unconventional. So, a building that has a really bizarre design, that's outre. Yeah, maybe it looks like a hat or an upside down house. Okay, or maybe, when I was at school, my spelling was so bad that I was famous for my outre spelling of words. It's bizarre, it's off the wall, it's really freaky and strange. It's odd and eccentric. When you see some of the latest fashions, there are always one or two that are very outre, a very outre set of clothes. They're wacky, they're just out of left field, they're very quirky, very, very strange. And this is the idea of something that is outre, yeah? Something that is way beyond, and beyond is the key word. What is normal? What is proper? Yeah, what is expected of you? What is the status quo? It's something that's very, very extravagant. It's outlandish. It's excessive. It's outrageous. People might get upset at something that is outre. Yeah, if you publish outre videos in YouTube, you'll probably end up getting them either banned or restricted. Yeah, so it's because they're typically rather shocking. I guess some modern music could be outre as well. Very offbeat, very far out and weird. Yeah, and that's the idea of outre. It's gone further than anyone would expect. It's really very bizarre. Okay, yes. Maybe a member of the Hollywood crowd who is known for his outre behaviour off screen. Yeah, or the outre sounds of modern music that is completely different. An outre fashion statement, yeah, where it's utterly different. Okay, outre formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, it comes from French outre, from the verb outrer, to go to excess. Yeah, outre, to go beyond. Yeah, so it's beyond what is acceptable, and the word outré itself exists in French, meaning excessive, outrageous, just goes too far. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Outre.